Risk disclaimer. Hello my friend, what's going on? This is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I want to welcome you to this video. I'm just going for my early morning workout, and I believe I should just as well just use one stone to kill two birds. So today we're going to be looking into the topic forex trading and the students. Okay, how you as high school students or college students, how you can combine it with forex trading. How can you trade forex? Because many people ask me that question. Okay, Emmanuel, so how can I trade forex? I'm a student, and of course, anyway, we're going to get to that in a minute. But if you are watching this video for the very first time and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please come on, give us love, hit the button below this video and subscribe. Okay, we're trying to get this to 1,000 subscribers before 1 month old okay, of this channel. We're going to be 1 month old on the 11th, and of course we're going to throw a party. That's going to be our anniversary. By now, we just started this channel, and we try to just get it up and running for you. I mean, this is free information, so like the video, okay, subscribe to this channel, and of course share this video on your Facebook profile. Then send us an email to info@tradermatic.net. By doing that, you will have a chance to win 7,500 naira palliative cash gift. It's not much, but I believe you can use that to recharge and just to say thank you. And if you happen to be the winner and you are not from Nigeria, then we give you the equivalent in your own currency, or you can get it in dollars, or you get it with cryptos, Bitcoin. So it depends. Okay, so go ahead, come on, do that. Let me give you 5 seconds to do that. Okay. Awesome. So welcome back. So I'm a student. Can I trade forex? I'm a student. How can I trade forex? Schooling. Can I trade forex? All these questions I get, and as I said, I'm going to be addressing it this way. So there's no yes or no response to that question. There's no black and white response to that question. The first question I will ask you is, as a student, do you have extra source of income? What is the time that you have with you? Because if you are a student and you don't have extra time, then definitely it will be tough for you to trade forex. With forex trading, it's just like any other business. You need discipline. You need time, even though most of the times you don't need more than 1 to 2 hours a day. But do you have this time? Okay, do you have this time at your disposal? Then your psychology, how mentally sound are you? Okay, then also we need to understand that when you're talking about being a student, depends on your geographical location. If you are a student in a country like Nigeria, whereby you have to struggle, you have to do a lot of things, okay, to keep up, even with the academic pressure, it could be tough, okay, it could be tough. But let me rewind a little bit. I remember very well 2006 when I was introduced to forex trading. The guy that organized that seminar then in Lagos was actually a student. The guy was, I think the guy was going to Lautech, Ladoke, Akintola University, Ogbomoso. And of course, the guy was doing good. But I later discovered that he himself was not trading. He was just making his money, by teaching people, by training people. And of course, the guy was driving a Mercedes Benz then, even as a student. So everything boils down to your lifestyle. What is the kind of lifestyle you have? If you are a student and you have sources of income, you have a stabilized lifestyle, you have that time at your disposal, of course, why not? You can trade Forex. You know, Forex trading have 3 major market sessions, and all you have to do is just pick which one you want to trade. For example, if you are a student, definitely during the day you are busy studying, so you could wake up in the middle of night if you are in United States and you want to trade London session. Then you wake up by 3 a.m. Eastern time. In Dallas here, that's Central time, that will be 2 a.m. Eastern time. So if you can trade between 2 to 4, as long as it's not competing with your studies. Maybe if you have studies, you have a test, you have exams tomorrow, and even right now with a coronavirus pandemic, most students are actually studying online. So studying online and trading Forex at the same time could actually be conflict, okay? I mean, it could conflict each other. But if you can multitask, if you can balance your life, I mean, just like many people ask me that, okay, how do I do it? You are a pastor, you are a father, you are a husband, you're a coach, you are a mentor. I mean, you're involved in charity works, doing a lot of. And by the way, if you are watching this video today or Saturday, okay, and you happen to be in our neighborhood, this morning we're going to be doing our food truck program. So at church, make sure you come. If you don't need it, if you don't need the food, you can give it to somebody. Okay, just an intro to that. Okay, so this morning by 12 to 3 o'clock, we're going to be at the church, and food truck we prepared for 300 families. So try to be there. Yeah, that's one of the things you can also do. Okay, if by the time you want to give back to community, you don't have to be a pastor to do that. Okay, so okay, anyway, so let's go back to our topic. As a student, you need money. Okay, by now you guys know my stand. If you want to trade Forex, don't put your livelihood on that account. If you put your livelihood on that account, you're going to be losing money. Why? Because you'll be trading with a lot of emotion. You'll be trading with a lot of passion. You know, you will be trading with a lot of pressure, because all your livelihood have been put. You want to pay your bills, you want to pay your school fees. But if you have somebody taking care of all of that for you, definitely you can trade Forex. I don't know if this makes sense to you, but I'm just trying to keep it real with you. Okay? Because many students that even got in touch with me, they will be asking, okay, can I trade Forex with $20? Can I trade Forex with $50? I don't know how that sounds. I don't know how much you want to make from that, because trading Forex with just a $20 account, you can burn that account within 5 seconds. Okay, $20. I mean, pretty much, it's not even enough to trade a nano account. If I would recommend opening a serious trading account, when I mean serious for students, well, let's shoot towards $250. $250. I mean, just imagine. Don't treat Forex as one of those side hustles. Okay, you don't trade Forex as one of those side hustles. You want to treat Forex, okay, as a business. And I don't think there's any business you can start with $20, right? I don't think there's any business you can start with $20. So, but let's say, okay, you have up to $200, you have up to $250, and you want to start trading, and you know what you are doing. But first of all, remember that you need to invest in yourself. Okay, this is more than you just start account with $20. It's more than you just start account with $50. The first of it, okay, is the money that you need to invest in yourself. You cannot learn Forex by jumping from one video to another on YouTube. You cannot learn Forex by reading those $7 or $12 Udemy's course. You cannot be a master of Forex. If you find anybody that have done that successfully, yeah, come and you're free to show it to me. Okay, that was the mentality I had before. Lottery mentality, freebies mentality. Just try to grab from here, grab from here, grab from here, and at the end of the day, what you're going to do is you will end up confusing yourself. Okay, you will end up confusing yourself. You watch video A, talk about this strategy. You watch video B, talk about this strategy. So all you need a mentor. And to be honest with you, I'm one of the cheapest Forex coach and mentors I know. Okay, even as far back as 2006, when I hired myself a coach from South Africa just for 1 week, it cost me a fortune. It cost me closing down all my bank accounts. It cost me taking loans. I remember then I was doing contribution. In Nigeria, we call it a job, right? I was doing contribution, and of course, I spent a fortune, talking about 2006. Okay, so not now. So you need to invest in your education. If there's anything you get from this video today, is that, well, number one, as a student, you can trade Forex, but it depends on your lifestyle. It depends on the time that you have at your disposal. It depends on who is paying your bills. If you are the one paying your bills and you want to put all your livelihood, all your responsibility on that Forex account, you're going to lose the account anyway. You're going to burn it out. But if you have somebody, let's say you're a student and your parents are responsible for paying your school fees, they are paying your tuitions, they are the one paying your rent, and you just have that extra cash, of course, why not? You can trade Forex. Okay, so my friend, by now you know that every week we pick a winner from those that leave comments below our video. So go ahead, subscribe to this channel if you have not, and like this video, share it on your Facebook profile, send me an email to info@tradermatic.net, and who knows, you could be the next winner of 7,500 Naira or equivalent on Monday. Okay, I look forward to see you one of these days, or shoot me an email, just say thank you Forex Apostle for that nugget that helped you out. Okay, enjoy the rest of your weekend.